One of our first projects that we're going to do is the chickens. So what obviously we need to just really clear everything first. You can see our fence line is all the way back through those trees. Have a look what I found laying, buried, half buried in the shed. Cool as this potbelly stove. We're starting to make some progress. Look at that already. Apparently this is a superfood. You cut it, dice it, pan fried I think. Correct me. Pretty sure there's some really big huntsmen. Oh my gosh. Man works too fast. That's better. Oh! Did that get you? It's on camera too. How I broke my dad's hand.